Ghana, a nation on the cusp of change, is a side of Africa that often goes overlooked. It's one of the more economically and politically sound countries on the continent, and with high literacy rates, about 80%, Ghana is one of the most highly educated African nations. Well endowed with natural resources, cocoa and rice exports make up about 1/3 of the nation's GDP. Impressive economic growth rates ensure Ghana is poised to be a strong player in the world economy. But there is another side of Ghana. Technology, proving to be a game changer in the world economy, is also revolutionizing this African nation. But access to technology is still limited.
One of the major challenges in technology when I was growing up was technology infrastructure. I remember when I was very young, the only resources available to me was books and my teachers. Even though I had innate passion to learn technology, I was limited by the resources available to me.
Access to technology, however, is starting to change. Resources, training, and mentoring are being provided by the Meltwater Foundation through the Meltwater Entrepreneurial School of Technology, or MEST, as it's commonly known.
MEST is making a difference in the lives of the trainees because it's actually giving them the skill set to be able to unlock their potential to be successful in the global marketplace. And that's exactly why I came here, is because I wanted to be a catalyst for change.
Founded by Meltwater's CEO Jorn Liesegen, MEST is a non-profit organization training and developing young entrepreneurs into future players in the global IT industry.
So we believe that people is people everywhere. Talent is not linked to nationality and to continent. And we believe that people in Ghana or Africa is as equipped and has the same opportunity to be widely successful in the international market for software as anyone else.
Started in 2008, MEST is the first step in a program aimed to launch the African software companies of tomorrow.
MEST is a not-for-profit organization fully funded by Meltwater Foundation. Our goal is to create the future software entrepreneurs from Africa that can compete successfully on the global market space. We want to train and mentor young Africans in software development and entrepreneurship with the aim that they will start their own software companies.
MEST offers a 3-phase program that includes training, incubation, and mentoring. MEST trainees begin in a 2-year full-time paid program. They receive entrepreneurial training, complete hands-on project work, and master the basics of software development.
As a technology teaching fellow, my responsibilities at MEST are to prepare technology lectures and labs, to prepare technology projects, deliver those lectures, supervise the labs, and then assess the students on their performance in the labs and on the project work that they submit.
The second phase, known as the incubator, helps MEST graduates validate their ideas and get their businesses off the ground. Groups accepted into the incubator are awarded initial seed funding and office space in an incubator based in either Accra, London, or San Francisco.
The incubator at MEST is created to provide an opportunity for MEST graduates to bring their business ideas to life. The goal is to provide them with some seed funding and some mentorship in the initial phases of the company to help them get off the ground and to give them access to global markets.
The senior faculty and teaching fellows both play important roles in the success of MEST trainees. A senior faculty member is assigned to each class that enters the school. Faculty teach and mentor trainees through the 2-year program. Teaching fellows sign on for 10 months and help develop the trainees' programming and technology skills.
When we recruit, what we really look for is people with a passion and people that want to make a change. People that believe in what we're doing here and want to be a part of that.
Although life in Ghana is dramatically different from the US or Europe, former staff members say the work is rewarding.
So working at MEST was rewarding for a couple of reasons. The first is the friendships I developed with the other fellows and the trainees. Second was watching the trainees develop and grow over the year. And the third is finally the skills I gained for myself that I'm using now as a product manager at a startup in Silicon Valley.
MEST is the only program of its kind where trainees receive hands-on training in software development, basic business fundamentals, and entrepreneurship in a fast-paced, challenging startup environment.
What I've gotten out of MEST is my appreciation for very high standards of work and global business ethics. And secondly, dealing with challenges on a daily basis and learning to deal with them in a fun way. And this is something I will implement in my work.
MEST is always looking for senior faculty and teaching fellow candidates interested in making a difference. If you feel you might be a fit and are interested in becoming a part of our Ghanaian family, please visit our website at www.meltwater.org.